Hello friends and welcome to the world of soft skills with me Richa here on TutorialsPoint. Well, this particular module is to give you an overview of what soft skills is going to be all about, and you will be better prepared to understand the rest of the modules under this particular segment of soft skills. Well, I'm very excited to teach you on soft skills because this is one of my favorite topics and something that I genuinely enjoy training people on. Soft skills is the need of the hour, and we need to understand as an individual as well as an organization the importance of soft skills in our lives. Well, let's take a look at the agenda for us today. Here in this particular module on soft skills overview, we will talk about the meaning of soft skills, hard skills versus soft skills which the employees look for while they are hiring people, well, certain benefits of soft skills to the organization as well as to the individual. Well, the significance and the importance of soft skills is something which I cannot give you more information on because it's something which is so basic to our day-to-day living. Well, soft skills is to referring to a cluster of personal qualities, your habits, your attitude and social graces that make someone a good employee and compatible to work with. Well, it's nothing but your personal your qualities that people really are attracted to you on. It's something which is something as basic and simple as your interpersonal skills, how you behave with people, your mannerisms, your courtesies. All of these things are so important in today's competitive world that we are living in. Well, what is the difference between hard skills and soft skills? Your hard skills, my dear friends, is your technical or the domain knowledge or your functionality knowledge that helps you to get a job. However, to stay in the job, you need your soft skills. Well, nowadays, more and more companies are switching from hard skills to soft skills while they are hiring people to work for their company. The simple reason being that soft skills has gained more and more advantage over hard skills. So what exactly is good soft skills? A good soft skills will help you to stand out in a crowd of mediocrity. Well, it's as simple as that. Somebody who's trained in soft skills and has a good behavior and a good nature will definitely stand out from the crowd rather than a person who has all the technical knowledge but doesn't know how to speak and communicate with people. Now that's the essence and the world of soft skills which I'm going to introduce you to. Well, what happens if you do not possess soft skills? Now there can be pretty bad repercussions if you do not follow or possess these soft skills. Let's take a look at them. You have a lack of satisfaction in your day-to-day life. You have less or no respect in the society. Poor influence in groups. Lack of appreciation and lack of recognition, which can be such a disaster. And criticism in all levels of life. Well, fear not, because we are here to teach you on how do you possess all the soft skills possible to make you a likable person in the society. Now friends, there are certain myths around soft skills. Let's take a look at them. The first one is women are better at soft skills. Well, I truly, definitely do not believe that. It's not just women-oriented soft skills, it's no gender soft skills. So any man here on this earth can also possess soft skills. So it's not something which is only gender-oriented. Soft skills can be learned and practiced by both men and women. The second one is it's too difficult to learn. Well, let me give you a little view on this, that hard skills are much harder to learn. Soft skills are very easy and something which is so basic that you do not have to learn at it basically. Where do I start? Well, there is no time to start. You can start right now while listening to us on how do you build your soft skills. I need to certify myself on soft skills? Well, not really, but it is always an added advantage if you are certified as a soft skills person. It definitely gives you that edge over the others. Now, personal attributes which will help to people looking for in terms of your soft skills. Many people look for honesty, your interpersonal skills, how do you build rapport, communicate with people, your integrity, honesty, dedication, persistence, and also your manners, your etiquette, bring it out, all those courtesies of yours. your ethics, your persistence, your pride in work, good listener. All of these and many more are the personal attributes which are a part of soft skills, or which people look for and like about a person when they have all of these and many more qualities. Well, there are many benefits of soft skills to organizations as well as individuals. Right now, let's take a look at what are the benefits of soft skills to organizations. Well, organizations, when they have people with soft skills, they will have increased credibility with the customers. They will also have greater increased customer satisfaction. They will have better and more productive employees. Outservice the competition, so they will definitely gain an edge over the competition. Increased employee rate of interest. Also, strong team and good leadership team is what you can imagine by people having soft skills. Demonstrated dedication to customer service as well as support. Measurable results and improvements. And last but not the least, incentives, rewards and challenges for employees. Well, as an organization, all of these things is definitely what you will gain for once you undergo a soft skills program, or rather when your employees are trained under soft skills. These are the benefits from an organization point of view. Now let's take a look at what are the benefits from an individual point of view. Well, as an individual, you can definitely benefit from soft skills by getting recognition from the industry, the employer and the peers. You also get many more different challenging employee opportunities. Promotions and advanced opportunities is what comes your way. Increased ability to perform on the job. You also get increased responsibilities. People are likely to give you more and more accountability and ownership at work. Lifelong credential is something that comes your way. Professional accomplishment, you reach out and achieve success as much as you can because you are somebody who's so likable by the people. You also tend to become a good entrepreneur or businessman, and definitely public sector executives. So these are all benefits which a person can have once he or she understands what soft skills are and imbibes it in his or her day-to-day life. Well friends, that brings us to the end of soft skills overview. I hope you have understood a little bit on what soft skills are all about. Do not worry, because all the modules which are going to follow now will definitely give you so much more idea on how to imbibe soft skills, which is the need of the hour. Thank you very much for watching. Many more videos coming your way. Keep watching us. Thank you once again.